Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissa's Nails Clicks. Today I have an Amazon purchase that I want to share with you guys, and this is for the EC Basket handheld nail drill, and it has 4 nail brushes, and I haven't even opened it yet. I just pulled it out of the package, so let's check it out together. This is a handheld travel nail drill, so I'm going to compare it with my drill that I currently use. This just has the 1-year warranty, some other instructions. Look at how cute that is. Ooh. It's in like this, almost like a goldish rose gold color. Super light, nice and light. I like that. And this is a okay, I thought it was going to be battery operated, but it's not, which is nice because I was hoping it wouldn't be. So this is the plug that it comes with, the regular plug. And the cord is pretty long, just nice. And this must be the on and off and backwards, and then the speed control. Oh wow, this feels pretty, I don't know, not that sturdy. The plastic is very flimsy feeling, but this model actually feels really good. So let's just hook this up and see how this works. Now it comes with these. Pull this out. Comes with the sanding bits and some other like a diamond type bit. I won't be using these because I don't use those on my nails. I usually use like here is one here. I like the carbide bits. Here's my flame bit here, so I'll check to see if it'll fit. I have some other ones. Let me see. I have my little pink cuticle bit. I don't usually like to use this, but maybe I'll just try it to see if it'll work. Seems to be like the normal size, but feeling this is much lighter than my handle. My handle is pretty big compared to this. Now I have the UP200 model for the nail drill. So as you can see, the hand is pretty heavy compared to this. This is super light. Now I'm not sure how the noise volume will be on this. We'll have to see, or even the vibration, so we'll have to check it out together. Let me take out the nail bit just to check. Seems about the same. I don't know. Maybe I need to read the instructions on how to put the drill bit in and keep it in. I don't know how that works. Maybe it just stays in. I don't know. It seems pretty tight when you're in there, but it's kind of weird that it doesn't have like a lock. Yeah, it almost seems like when it goes in, like it's pretty tight. So maybe it doesn't have like a twist. Let's see if my flame bit will fit too. Yeah, it fits. So yeah, you just gotta pull it out, but it's a little concerning that it doesn't have like a lock. But we can try it out and see. Alright, so let me stick this. My drill is plugged in, my large drill. So let's check this out. I will undo the wrapped part of the cord. Alright, and let's see what it says here. Switching power supply, model is MKS-1201,000. Input is 100 to 140 volts, 50/60 hertz, output 12 volts. So we can compare to my larger one. Let me just swivel this around. So we have input on my up power is 120 volts, and this is 100 to 240 volts, and then it's 50/60, and this is 60. The output for the handheld is 12 volts, and this is 3 to 20 volts. So this doesn't have like the super more, I mean, this obviously will have more power than this handheld one, but we'll see how the noise volume goes and everything else. And it might be a good one to, like I said, to travel with and light use and stuff like that. Obviously, if I do a full-on set or do a lot of heavy drilling, I'd be going for my UP200. Okay, so let's try this out. Now I just have my hands over here just to go around here. Maybe I'll just pretend to be like cleaning up the cuticle on this. So let's try it on out. Okay, so there is a light on the plug that tells me that it's powering. Now we will maybe turn it on. Maybe not. Nothing's happening. Yeah, nothing's happening. Oh, it shows that it's unplugged. Oh, there it goes. Okay. For some reason it was unplugged again. Okay. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Okay, so we have power. Now, this is forward, the middle is stop, and then the back, like forward towards you, is reverse. Okay. The sound really isn't that bad. There is vibration, but not horrible. It's a little vibration. So let's see how it sounds as you're drilling. Obviously it's going to be louder because it's going on to plastic, and it's like a plastic bit on top of plastic, so it's going to be a little noisy. It'll be a little different. But yeah, it has enough power that it gets the job done. Okay, so you can try just see that. Okay, so we put it in the center. You see that? You put it in the center to stop it. Now, I'll run both of these and show you the difference in sound quality. I'm going to switch this bit also to my flame bit. It does get a little warm though, because it's already feeling slightly warm. Let me grab this. Okay. So let's try the flame bit in this. Alright. It doesn't go in a lot, so it does stick out quite a bit, which is kind of a pain, but this does have a unusually long entrance, so maybe I should just, maybe I'll switch it, because I don't know if I'll be able to use, well, I wanted to try it out, so I'll try all 3 bits. So this is my up power. That's at pretty high speed. This is low speed. This is medium, and that's high. That's max. Okay, which you're not usually at max very long. Usually you're about here. That's mid speed. Okay, so that's the up power sound. Now let's try this with okay, so there is a lot of vibration on this. So you can adjust the speed. This is super low. This would be probably about medium. And that's all the way. So let's just see how it'll do taking off this. I'm gonna just stop it for a sec and go this way. This is usually the direction I'd rather it to go. Yeah, so it takes off the gel polish. Well, it's mainly the bit doing the work, but not bad. And then push it into the center. And then you can take it out. Take it out with these again. It's kind of a pain not having the lock and the unlock because you have to literally yank it out. So you untwist my up power to get it out, and this one you just kind of push it in and pull it out. Okay. Now that one's in, so let's try this one. Not bad. Let's try it in high speed. Just focus in just a little bit better. Okay. So it does its job. Seems to be a great little tool to do if you're traveling. If you do a lot of maybe nails or manicures outside of your home, just like traveling around, going to a friend's house, or even if you're going on vacation and you want to make sure you have all your tools, or maybe you're going away to visit for a little bit of time, like a week or so, or whatever, you know, I mean, I'm just thinking of different options for myself that I might use it. So like if I'm going to visit my cousin down in Florida, I probably would bring this. That way if I have any breaks or lifting, or if I wanted to do their nails or whatever, you know, I can bring something like this. Super light, easy to pack, you know, and I have what I need, and I don't need to bring my big full U power, like a full powered one, you know what I mean? Where this, I mean, it's going to get hot and it might even overheat on you if you go and do like a full set or any heavy drilling. So I probably wouldn't do any big heavy drilling, but if you just want to do like a quick fill and infill, you know, just going around the cuticles, cleaning up around the cuticles, light drilling, this would be perfect. If you want to take off gel polish on acrylic nails or something like that, you could probably get away with doing it with this as well. My only concern would be overheating. Like I said, the handle does get warm to the touch, but you could wrap it with that flex wrap if it bothers you. I'm wondering if the vibration might bother me as well, because it kind of makes my fingers feel funny when I hold it, where this one doesn't have that vibration, but this one is much heavier than this one. So you know, if you're somebody who has arthritis or has trouble with their hands, you want something very light, this is definitely a go-to thing for you, because this is super duper light. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to put in the description box of where I purchased it, and that's Amazon. I'll put the link for you guys for if you're interested in purchasing it, and I'll also put my Amazon discount code in there as well for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll put some pictures at the end, then the pictures of both items. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.
Slide